Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about type 3 of Fourier series. So in type 3 it is in the interval minus pi comma pi. So first one is half range Fourier cosine series, that is even. Here a0 is equal to 2 by pi into integral of 0 to pi f of x into dx, and an is equal to 2 by pi into integral of 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx, and bn is equal to 0. Therefore f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity into an cos nx. Next one is half range Fourier sine series, which is odd. Here a0 is equal to 0 and an is equal to 0. And bn is equal to 2 by pi into integral of 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Therefore f of x equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Third one is neither even nor odd. Here a0 is equal to 1 by pi into integral of minus pi to pi f of x into dx, and an is equal to 1 by pi integral of minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx, and bn is equal to 1 by pi integral of minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Therefore f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. To find whether a given function is even or odd, we have to put x is equal to minus x in f of x. If f of x is equal to f of minus x, then it is even function. If f of x equal to minus f of x, then it is odd function. If f of x is not is equal to f of minus x, and f of x is not equal to minus f of x, then it is neither even nor odd function. So here the first question is, find the Fourier series of f of x equal to x square in minus pi comma pi. Hence find 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus etc. infinity. So here given function is f of x equal to x square. So put x is equal to minus x in f of x. Therefore f of minus x equal to minus x the whole square. So minus x the whole square is x square. Therefore here f of x equal to f of minus x. Therefore f of x is an even function. So for even function the formula is f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Therefore first a0 is 2 by pi into integral of 0 to pi f of x into dx. Here f of x is x square. So when we integrate x square, it becomes x cube by 3 to the integral of 0 to pi. So substitute pi and 0. If we substitute pi, 2 by pi into pi cube by 3. If we substitute 0, it is 0. Therefore pi and pi get cancelled. Therefore a0 is equal to 2 pi square divided by 3. Next an is equal to 2 by pi into integral of 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. So here f of x is x square. Here both terms have x and it is in multiplication. Therefore u is equal to x square and integral of dv is equal to integral of cos nx. So u1 is equal to here when we here we have to differentiate and here we have to integrate. Therefore when we differentiate x square, it becomes 2x, and again if we differentiate 2x, it becomes 2, and again if we differentiate 2, it becomes 0. So until u becomes 0, we have to find u1. So here u2, so we have to find until v2. Therefore when we integrate cos nx, it is sin nx divided by n. Again because the coefficient is n, it comes in the division. Again if we integrate sin nx, it becomes minus cos nx divided by n square. One more n, so n into n is equal to n square. Then v2 is equal to minus sin nx divided by n cube. So we have to multiply this and put in the equation. So uv minus u1 v1 plus u2 v2. Here an is equal to 2 by pi. So uv. So therefore x square into sin nx divided by n plus 2 minus. So minus u1 v1. Here already it has minus, or minus into minus plus. Therefore plus 2x cos nx divided by n square, and again 2 into minus sin nx divided by n cube. So therefore minus 2 sin nx divided by n cube to the interval 0 to pi. So substitute pi and 0 here. So for sin n pi it is 0 and cos n pi it is minus 1 the whole power n, and again sin nx, so sin n pi is 0. So minus of apply 0, therefore sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, and but 2 into 0 0, therefore this term also becomes 0, and this term sin 0 0, therefore only this term only remain. Therefore 2 pi into cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square. And we solve this, we get an is equal to 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square. Here bn is 0, therefore f of x equal to a0 by 2. So 2 pi square divided by 3 into 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square into cos nx. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, therefore pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square into cos nx. In the question, the series power asked is 4. So 1 by 1 power 4, therefore the power is 4. And an, here the power is 2. So the series power asked in the question is different from an. So we have to use Parseval's theorem. So Parseval's theorem formula is 1 by pi into integral of minus pi to pi f of x the whole square into dx equal to a0 square by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an square plus bn square. So here f of x is x square and a0 2 pi square divided by 3. And again an square, here bn is 0, therefore 4 into minus 1 the whole power n the divided by n square the whole square. So here x square the whole square is x power 4, and here 4 pi square the whole square is 4 into pi power 4, and divided by 3 square is 9, and 9 into 2 is 18, plus 4 into 4 16. So take 16 as common, summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity and minus 1 the whole power 2n divided by n power 4. So here when we integrate x power 4, it becomes x power 5 divided by 5 to the interval minus pi to pi, and here it becomes 2 pi power 4 divided by 9 plus 16 into summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n power 4, because minus 1 the whole, since minus 1 the whole power 2n is 1, therefore 1 by n power 4, and 1 by pi into substitute pi n minus pi, therefore it becomes 2 pi power 5 divided by 5. Here 16 into summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n power 4. Take 2 pi power 4 divided by 9 to the other side, therefore after subtraction it becomes 8 pi power 4 divided by 45. So 16 if goes to denominator, therefore 8 pi power 4 divided by 45 into 16, therefore 1 by n power 4 is 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus etc. infinity is equal to pi power 4 by 90. For detection rules, click the link in the description. So the next question is, determine the Fourier series over the function f of x equal to minus 1 plus x to the interval minus pi to 0 and 1 plus x to the interval 0 to pi. Hence deduce that 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 plus etc. is equal to pi by 4. Here substitute x is equal to minus x, therefore f of minus x equal to minus 1 minus x minus pi less than minus x less than 0 and 1 minus x 0 less than minus x less than pi. So take minus as common, therefore 1 plus x 0 less than x less than pi, and minus 1 plus x into minus pi less than x less than 0. Therefore minus of minus 1 plus x minus pi less than x less than 0 and 1 plus x 0 less than x less than pi. So which is equal to minus of f of x. Therefore f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Therefore f of x is an odd function. So for odd function, the formula for f of x is Fourier series function is summation of n is equal to infinity n to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So bn is equal to 2 by pi integral of 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Here f of x is x plus 1 for 0 to pi. Therefore x plus 1 into sin nx into dx. Here u is x plus 1, dv is integral of sin nx. So for u we have to differentiate, for v we have to integrate. Therefore u1 is equal to 1, u2 is equal to 0. Here v is equal to minus cos nx divided by n, and v1 is equal to minus sin nx divided by n square. So substitute here bn is equal to, how to substitute, uv minus u1 v1. So 2 by pi into minus of x plus 1 into cos nx divided by n. So minus into minus plus, therefore plus sin nx divided by n square to the interval 0 to pi. Substitute pi and 0. When we substitute pi, we get cos n pi. So cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. And minus of cos 0 is, here cos 0 is 1 and again sin 0 is 0. Therefore substitute cos n pi is equal to minus 1 the whole power n and cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore 2 by pi into minus of pi plus 1 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n plus 1 by n. Therefore bn is equal to 2 by pi into 1 minus plus therefore bn is equal to 2 by pi into 1 minus of pi plus 1 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n. Here if we substitute n is equal to odd number, then it becomes minus 1 the whole power 1 is minus 1. So minus into minus plus. Therefore 2 into 2 plus pi divided by pi n if n is odd. If n is even, then it is 0. So therefore f of x equal to summation of here n is equal to odd to infinity 2 into 2 plus pi divided by pi n into sin nx. So here series power asked in the question is 1 by 1 power 1, 1 by 3 power 1. Therefore the series power is 1. And bn, in bn the power is also n power 1. Therefore 1. Therefore series power asked in the question is same as bn. Therefore apply x is equal to pi by 2 in RHS to get series. To get series we have to apply 0 or pi by 2 or pi. Here we have to apply pi by 2 to get series. Here f of x is continuous, so apply x is equal to pi by 2 indirectly in left hand side for 0 to pi. Therefore 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x. Therefore here substitute x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore 1 plus pi by 2 equal to summation of n is equal to odd to infinity 2 into 2 plus pi divided by pi n into sin n pi by 2. So if we solve this, we get 2 plus pi divided by 2. So take this term to this side. Therefore pi divided by 2 into 2 plus pi into summation of n is equal to odd to infinity sin n pi by 2 divided by n. So substitute only odd numbers 1, 3 and 5. Here if we solve, we get pi by 4. Here sin pi by 2 divided by 1 plus sin 3 pi by 2 divided by 3 plus etc. Here sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 and etc. Therefore 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1, 1 by 5 etc. is equal to pi by 4. This is the answer. Next question is find Fourier series for the function f of x equal to x square plus x in minus pi comma pi. Hence that is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus etc. plus summation is equal to pi square divided by 6. So here substitute x is equal to minus x. Therefore minus x whole square plus minus x. Therefore x square minus x. If we take minus as common, again it is minus x square plus x. Therefore f of x is not equal to f of minus x and f of x is not equal to minus of f of minus x. Therefore f of x is neither even nor odd. Therefore f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus b n sin nx. Here a naught is equal to 1 by pi into integral of minus pi to pi f of x into dx and 1 by pi is equal to integral of minus here f of x into x square plus x. So if we integrate x square it becomes x cube by 3 and x for x it is x square by 2. So the interval minus pi to pi. So substitute pi and minus pi here. Therefore 1 by pi into pi cube by 3 plus pi square by 2 minus of minus pi cube by 3 plus pi square by 2. So here pi square by 2 and minus pi by pi square by 2 gets cancelled. Therefore 1 by pi into 2 pi cube by 3. If we solve this, a naught is equal to 2 pi square divided by 3. And an is equal to 1 by pi into integral of minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Here f of x is x square plus x. Therefore x square plus x into cos nx dx. So take u is equal to x square plus x and integral of dv is equal to integral of cos nx. Therefore u1 is equal to 2x plus 1 and u2 is equal to 2 and u3 is equal to 0. Here v is equal to sin nx divided by n and again if we integrate it we get minus cos nx divided by n square, again minus sin nx divided by n cube. So uv minus u1 v1 plus u2 v2. Therefore an is equal to 1 by pi into x square plus x into sin nx divided by n plus 2x plus 1 into cos nx divided by n square minus 2 sin nx divided by n cube to the interval minus pi to plus pi. Substitute pi n minus pi. We substitute pi, we get sin n pi is 0 and cos n pi. Here cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n and again sin n pi is 0 minus of minus pi. So sin again my sin my pi is 0 and cos n pi. Cos of minus pi is cos pi. Therefore Again cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. Therefore 2 pi plus 1 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square minus of minus 2 pi plus 1 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square. So if we solve this we get 4 pi into minus 1 the whole power n divided by pi into n square. Here pi and pi gets cancelled. Therefore an is equal to 4 into pi minus 1 the whole square divided by whole power n divided by n square. Next bn is equal to 1 by pi into integral of minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Here 1 by pi into here f of x is x square plus x. So u is equal to x square plus x. Integral of dv is equal to sin nx. Here u1 is equal to x plus 1, u2 is equal to u3 equal to 0. Here if we integrate sin nx it is minus cos nx divided by n. And if we integrate cos nx it is sin nx divided by n square. And again if we integrate sin nx minus sin nx it is cos nx divided by n cube. So substitute like uv minus u1 v1 plus u2 v2. So we get this. So substitute pi n minus pi. Again cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. And again here cos n of minus pi is again cos n pi, therefore minus 1 the whole power n. So here plus 2 cos n pi divided by n cube and minus 2 cos n pi divided by n cube gets cancelled. Here bn is equal to minus 1 the whole power n divided by pi n into minus pi square minus pi plus pi square minus pi square. Minus pi square plus pi square gets cancelled and minus 2 pi into minus 1 the whole power n divided by pi into n. Here pi and pi gets cancelled, therefore 2 into minus 1 the whole power n plus 1 divided by n. So next here therefore f of x equal to pi square divided by 3 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square into cos nx plus 2 into minus 1 the whole power n plus 1 divided by n into sin nx. Here the series power is 2. Here the series power is 2. So an it is again 2. Therefore series power asked in the question is same as. So put x is equal to 0 or pi by 2 or pi in right hand side. So we have to apply 0 and pi by 2 and pi. So here if we substitute pi we get the series. Therefore put x is equal to pi in right hand side to get series. And here given f of x is discontinuous ending point. Therefore we have to substitute f of minus pi plus f of pi divided by 2 plus pi square divided by 2 f of x plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square into cos n pi. So substitute n is equal x is equal to pi. So here sin n pi is 0, therefore only cos n pi term remains. So therefore minus pi. So substitute x square plus x term. So substitute x is equal to minus pi and x is equal to pi. Therefore we get 2 pi square divided by 3 into 4. In right hand side we get summation of n is equal to infinity minus 1 whole power 2 n divided by n square. So the series becomes 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus etc. Sum plus infinity is equal to pi square divided by 6. This is the answer.